In this video, I am going to show how to install Angular CLI on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for Angular dev. This is the official website of Angular. So browse this URL and then click on docs, then select installation. The prerequisite is to install Angular. You must have installed Node.js version 18.19.1 or newer. So make sure that you already have installed Node.js on your system. Open command prompt and type this command node --version. I already have installed Node.js and also npm. Okay, if you don't have installed Node.js and npm on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Node.js and npm on Windows operating system. Okay, now I am going to install Angular CLI using npm node package manager. Copy this command and go back to the command prompt or Windows terminal and then paste here this command, hit enter. It may take a while for installing Angular CLI on Windows operating system. Now verify the installation. Write ng version. That's it. Angular CLI 19.0.6 installed successfully on Windows operating system. So I'm going to create a new project using this command. Copy this command and navigate to the directory where you want to create this project. I'm going to create it on my desktop. Here write the project name. Okay, my case frontend. Hit enter. If you want to share the pseudonymous uses data about this project with the Angular team at Google, under Google's privacy policy, select Y for yes, otherwise select N for no, then hit enter. Now select which style sheet format would you like to use. You can select this using up and down arrow key. I am going to select the second style sheet format as CSS, hit enter. And then if you want to enable server-side rendering, static site generation, type Y, otherwise type N, then hit enter. It may take a while for installing necessary packages for the Angular project using npm. So be patient. I am going to open this Node application using Visual Studio Code. Okay, the package is installed successfully. Now I am going to run this Angular project. So at first navigate to the project directory then write this command to start the development server. Npm start. Okay. Now copy this URL and go back to the web browser and access the project using this URL within the port 4200. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.